Okay, so this week I found something out about my ASIAIR that I didn't know it could do, and it's quite interesting. And I'm just wondering how many of you actually know it can do this. It's a really useful feature. It's something we've been asking for a very long time, but I've just not seen anybody else mention it. I just happened to stumble across it by accident this week because I've purchased it's a refurb, but I've purchased myself a new iPad and I've updated the software and it's updated it to the latest version. And this option appeared. So I'll jump onto the iPad so you can actually see what it can now do. And then it wanted to update the firmware on my AM5. Okay, that's quite important because it needs the latest version of the AM5 in order to be able to do this. So if I go to the ASIAIR software and I flip to the mount, there's a new option at the bottom that says Park Mount. I honestly have no idea how long this has been there. I don't update the software that often because I find that it breaks more things than it fixes a lot of the time. This is a good feature and something I've been asking for a long time. So this is its normal park position, which is facing due north. So if I now do Park Mount, and there you go. It now parks horizontally, which, like I say, I didn't know it did that. I'm quite excited about this because this now means that I can get a bigger telescope because of the clearance of the observatory roof. I can get now a bigger telescope without telling my wife. And it means I've got all this space here for it to fit into. So, yeah, happy days for me. Like I say, there's probably other things that it can now do, but that was something that I've never seen before until I did the update. So it might be a new feature, it might have been there for a while, I honestly don't know. But for me, that's fantastic because it also means that I can do things, especially like if I wanted to, so if I wanted to like calibrate my mirror, I can now do it as it's horizontal. Rather than getting the thumb controller out and having to do it, I can just press a button and it goes horizontal. So to me, that's absolutely fantastic. So anyway, just a quick update video on that one. I'll see you in the next one.